Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your daily English podcast. I am Lisa. Today we have a huge happy lesson talking about Christmas Celebration Day. Christmas is often the biggest party of the year. It has many special words and traditions. If you don't know the simple English to talk about the gifts or the food, the conversation stops. We don't want that. We want you to tell your full, cheerful story. Our expert, Paul, is here. He will give us a complete 9-step Christmas checklist. Welcome, Paul.
Hello, Lisa, and a very warm welcome to everyone. We're going to break the celebration into 9 easy parts. When you finish this lesson, you'll be ready for any Christmas conversation. Here are our 9 simple checks for your Christmas checklist. Check 1, the feeling. How does it feel? Check 2, the time. When does the action happen? Check 3, the people. Who was at the party? Check 4, the decoration. How does the house look? Check 5, the food. What do we eat and drink? Check 6, the gifts. Giving, getting, and wrapping. Check 7, the activities. What games do we play? Check 8, the sounds, music and noise. Check 9, the day after, the simple past tense review.
9 checks. This is the most detailed guide ever. Let's start with check 1, the emotion. Check 1 is the feeling. Christmas is a time of special, strong feelings. Use the present simple tense.
We need 2 sentences about your personal feeling and 2 about the atmosphere. 1, personal feeling. I feel. Action. I feel excited for Christmas. Excited means very happy and waiting. Action. I feel thankful for my family. Thankful means grateful. 2, atmosphere. The place is. Action. The atmosphere is joyful and busy. Joyful means full of happiness. Action. The house smells like pine and cookies. Smells is a very important verb here.
The simple self-talk for this key is, I am happy today. Check 2 is the time. We need to use simple words like before, on, and then to show the order of events.
We will use the word then to connect 3 actions. 1, Christmas Eve, the start. Action. On Christmas Eve, we watch a movie together. 2, Christmas Day morning, the middle. Action 2. Then, on Christmas Day, we drink hot coffee. 3, Christmas Day afternoon, the end. Action 3. Then we eat the big dinner.
This is a clear order. We must always use then when we talk about the next thing we do. Check 3 is the people. Use the word our to show the group.
We have 3 simple categories of people. 1, the core group, immediate family. Action. I spend the whole day with my parent and my brother. 2, the visitors, relatives. Action. Our cousins and aunts visit us in the afternoon. Aunts and cousins are family words. Action. They drive a long way to see us. 3, the organizer. Action. My sister helps my mother organize the party. Organize means plan the event.
The simple rule is, more people mean more fun. Check 4 is the decoration. The main verb is put up.
We need 3 sentences about the decoration goes. The tree. Action. We put up the tree in the living room. Living room is where you relax. Action. We put an angel on the top of the tree. The lights. Action. We hang colored lights on the walls. Hang means put up with a hook. Action. We turn the lights on in the evening. The small details. Action. We put special candles on the table. Self-talk. My house looks beautiful now.
Check 5 is the food. The simple verbs are cook, eat, and drink.
We will detail the action of preparing the food. The cooking action. Action. My father cooks the big turkey. Turkey is a big bird for eating. Action. My mother bakes many cookies for dessert. Bakes means cooking in the oven. The eating action. Action. We eat a lot of potatoes and vegetables. Action. We eat slowly because the meal is very big. The drink action. Action. We drink cider. Cider is a common fruit drink. Action. We drink a toast to our family. A toast is a special happy wish with drinks.
Remember to say, the food tastes delicious. Delicious means very good. Check 6 is the gifts. We have 3 key actions: wrap, give, and open.
Let's practice these 3 simple actions. Wrap, the preparation. Action. I wrap the gifts with colored paper before Christmas. Wrap means cover. Give, the action of sharing. Action. We give gifts to every person in the family. Action. I give my friend a nice book. Open, the excitement. Action. We open the gifts one by one. Action. The children open their gifts very fast.
The simple question to ask someone is, what gift did you get? Check 7 is the activities. What do we do after we eat?
We use simple action verbs for these activities. Games. Action. We play a game called charades, a game where you act out words. Action. We laugh a lot when we play games. Laugh means making a happy sound. Watching or relaxing. Action. We sit by the fireplace and watch a classic movie. Action. We talk about our plans for the new year. Reading. Action. My grandfather reads a story to the small children.
Check 8 is a new one, the sounds of Christmas. The day is full of special noise.
We use the verbs hear and sing and ring. Music. Action. We hear Christmas songs everywhere. Action. The songs are happy and old. Action. We sing the songs together. Church bells. Action. The church bells ring loudly in the evening. Action. The bells sound beautiful. People. Action. The house is noisy because the children are excited. Noisy means full of sound. Self-talk. I love the sound of Christmas.
Check 9 is also new, the day after. This is when you talk about what happened yesterday. We must use the simple past tense. I went, we ate.
You are telling the story to a friend on the day after Christmas. The food. Action. Yesterday we ate too much food. The past of eat is ate. Action. We drank a lot of hot chocolate. The past of drink is drank. The gifts. Action. I got many nice gifts. The past of get is got. Action. I gave my mother a book. The past of give is gave. The feeling. Action. I was very happy yesterday. The past of am is was. Action. We watched a movie. The past of watched is watched.
This is a fantastic way to practice the past tense right after the holiday. Paul, this was the ultimate, ultra-detailed Christmas lesson. We now have 9 checks to talk about every detail from the decorations to the sounds. Let's review the 5 most important simple phrases. The feeling, I feel excited for Christmas. The order, we wake up, Then we open gifts. The action, we put up the Christmas tree. The past tense, yesterday we ate turkey. The finishing line, the atmosphere is joyful and warm.
Your homework is to write one simple sentence for all 9 checks. Use the correct verb. Present tense for traditions, past tense for yesterday.
Thank you for listening to your daily English podcast. You are now a Christmas expert in English. Until next time, be festive and speak clearly. Bye.